Alright, we are working on the interior of the new C5. So last video, I got the seats in. I ended up putting this cover on the passenger side that came with the car. So long story short about this, I got the switch in. The switch is working. However, there's no wire on the passenger side to make the driver's side work. So it's dead in the water, and I'm going to have to swap them eventually, but I plan on doing that anyways. So back to what we're doing here. We're going to mess with the shifter here. This shifter, ever since I test drove it, it's clunky. There's a little movement. That's pretty good, but it's like it doesn't want to go in a second, and then bam, give it a little extra. It happens a lot with first. So I believe it's just not aligned properly. So let's take this apart and see if we can figure it out. Now, center console is obviously destroyed here, so this is probably going to be a lot easier than it would be if I had a full center console in place. Yeah, I don't think anything is holding this on anymore. Let me pull this out of here. Now, I fully plan on redoing this whole shifter and the center console, but right now, I just want to get this car driving, feeling much better. So, we're going to see if we can just lift this off. I'm not a fan of this shift knob, but for now, it's going to stay there. You can see the rusty shaft down here. So now we have a couple nuts to take off. This should remove the cover, and then we can see what's underneath. Okay, we're at 10 millimeter. Take the nut off, set it aside, and now this pops on out. I think we can get this out of the way without having to take everything else off. Yeah, I think this will be enough room to work with. So down here we can see this is the gear shifter where it links to the torque tube here. So it's actually bolted with some bushings in the way. So let's go through the process of realigning this and see if that helps. So we're gonna make sure we're in neutral, which we are now. I got my foot on the brake because the parking brake is not working. Alright, so there's neutral. We're going to push this pin down. Can we do it by hand? Not quite. Grab something to help you push it down. And it's going. I need two hands for this. Now, I'm pretty sure this pin is supposed to be in that hole. So, I'm going to try to align that in and drop it in, because right now if I push it down, it's not actually doing anything. It's supposed to lock the shifter into neutral. Well, this shouldn't happen to you. Yours should be in, but because mine's not, I can't fit it back in as is. So I loosen these 4 bolts for the shifter here. I used 10 millimeter, but they felt like a 3/8. And so now I should be able to pop this up, slide up just a little bit, and that should give me enough clearance. Okay, well, I got it locked in a neutral here. The shifter will not shift into other gears, but it's not in the tab. I couldn't get it in the tab and down for some reason, and in the neutral position that the shifter was, the pin did not actually line up. If you look down inside there, there's a hole, a slot for it to drop in, lock into the shifter rod. So it has to be directly where neutral truly is. And so where the shifter was set up for neutral wasn't correct. I had to pull back and a little to the right, just a little bit. And that could be why my first gear is difficult to get into sometimes. So we got the pin in, it's locked into neutral. It's not how typically you do this, but it's in, it's gonna work. So next up, we have 3 Torx bolts here that we are going to loosen. And this is going to allow us to align the shifter again. The 3 Torx are a T40, so you just loosen all of them up. Don't remove them or anything. Just loosen them. And now, give the shifter a good wiggle. And this is going to just let it self-align. My bushings actually are pretty dry rot, so they should be replaced. So probably going to have to do this again in the future. Probably can do it when I do the whole shifter overhaul. Fix a lot of this stuff in the center console. So we're going to call that good right there. basically, I think you wiggle it and then you want it to be stationary at dead on neutral. Right. So that spot right there feels good. So let's tighten it back up. Just going to do it gently, little by little, and move the shifter here and there. So then we just go around and tighten them all, torque them down to 22 foot-pounds. All right, now we want to pull this pin out. There we go. Let's see how it feels. Just pulled the boot down. I didn't tighten or seal anything up yet. Let's just give it a feel. Oh man. Whoa, that's a crazy difference. I wish you could feel. Before, it felt so bad. It was like, it was the worst kind of notchy. You didn't know what gear you were in. Now I can really tell. First, down, second. That's neutral, and you go straight up to third, then a fourth. Now I go back to neutral and I go right a little bit, up. Now with the neutral locked in and aligned, I took these 4 bolts off again, lifted the shifter up a little bit, and I was able to slide the pin in, and neutral is dead on with the pin here. So that's the kind of difference that this made. So let's button everything back up, put our broken center console back on, and feel how it is. There we go, all reassembled. Much, much better. That's pretty good. That made a pretty big difference. I had a feeling it would, because I'm telling you, it felt so bad. But that's good to hear. Let's see if I can get in reverse by starting the engine. Alright, neutral start. Alright. Just go through the gears real quick. Still got to get used to this 6-speed. That's reverse right there. So if I let off, are we rolling? Yep. And oop, trim ring off the shifter. All right, and now in first gear, do we roll? Yep, pretty good. And I can go from first to reverse. All right. I'm satisfied with that. That made a huge difference. All right, that's great that worked out. Made a huge world of a difference. So I'm going to continue my search. I'm trying to find a stock shifter assembly, and obviously one that's not crazy overpriced, like a lot of them are. So I'm going to continue my search, but should be able to find it, no problem, eventually. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.